Wagwan this and that family. The day today to talk about the power of the mind. Life not easy, but you have to keep your focus and never give up. First thing, you have to believe in yourself. If you don't believe so you can, then you can't accomplish nothing. Think positive and take the negative out of your life. Your mind is the most powerful tool. You have to use it. If you push your dreams forward, don't make nobody tell you can't do it. Them are going to come with them negativity, but you have to be strong like a lion. Remember the journey might long, but at the steps where you take that count. Every little hustle you put in a part of the bigger picture. So stay motivated. Set your goals and work on them. Write down your dreams and read them every day. Affirmations work, man. Talk to yourself. Encourage yourself. Me can do this. Me I go succeed. Surround yourself with positive people. Select your circle carefully. You have to have them people who uplift your spirit. Them kind of vibes will keep you going. And not forget, failure a part of the process. If you fall down, pick up yourself and try again. Every setback is a setup for your comeback. Remember them great men and women who reach the top? Them face challenges too. Stay true to your vision. Setback, as me say, is just a part of your story. Share your journey, inspire others, and you will find strength in your community. So I want you to go out there and work your magic. Be the change you want to see. Remember, you have a power to shape your destiny. Pick up yourself, keep your fire burning, and remember, the sky is not the limit. It's just the beginning. Bless up.